Hello, me fixing everything. And because there is always something to be fixed, subscribe to the channel. It might help you fix everything. So, I was given this phone and it was almost thrown in the bin. I even have the boxes. They told me just use it for parts. Um, well, it's alive again. The problem, well, it wasn't dead, but when you speak, you can't hear nothing through the headphone speaker. So when it's on speakerphone, like on loudspeaker, you can, but when the sound comes from here, you can't hear nothing. So the way to fix it is you need to dial a phone number, star hash key 84, what was it, 84 6484 6484 hash key star. This will get you into a service menu, and then what you do is you do a speaker calibration. So the phone calibration speaker, you can hear now, it makes a sound. It recalibrates the speakers. So when we press OK now, it will start a speaker test. So we can hear on the loudspeaker Chinese. The speaker is definitely working and we can hear Chinese. So that's it. That's how to recalibrate the speakers, because over time I think if it falls on the ground or something, I know this phone is being dropped on the ground 2 times and it maybe it gets the calibration off. So that's how you can repair your phone, or just going to open it and see if it's not a hardware damage. But before you open and start messing with the motherboard, try that, it might help you. I hope the video is being helpful to you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.